Hi, my name is Tom and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you our new product, our Home Smart Security Kit. For the home side, we always use camera to check the situation about our house. For example, we can use it to see if our children sleep well or not. Or someone who we don't know break in our yard. We can take it as our evidence. But we should notice that the camera has its limits. For example, if someone break our door or window secretly, we cannot hear anything. So we need our new product to improve our home level. When we set up our base station, we need to put in our central location of the house. And remember, do not to set it on the floor. And make sure the base station is connected with outlet power. For the base station, you can find two buttons. One of them is switch, turn on it. And another one is reset. Now hold the reset until you can hear beep sound. Then you can see the light of the base station. It will slow blink. When you finish download, now open your application. You can find add at the right side and find sensor. And you can check there has alarm Wi-Fi option. And now you need enter your password. Now go back to your smartphone. You need to find there has AZ mode and switch AP mode and confirm it. Now go to here, connect with Smart Life Samsung. Now when you finish that, go back again and it will search your device and you just wait. Now it is finished that. When you finish that, you need to remember you can change the name like alarm or whatever you want. For the key fob, we need to tap accessories and tap remotes and tap add. You will hear beep. And now you can find your key fob on your screen. Basically, you don't have to do anything and it will connect with those sensors automatically. But if it not work, you can set up what I told for you. For the motion detector, let me show you how to add it. Now go back to your smartphone. There has add and click here. You will hear beep. And now there has a switch. Turn it on. And just waiting in here. That is successfully connected. For the doorbell, it is the same way to connect with your smartphone. Now click here. Now when you hear the noise, it means that it's connected successfully. Now let's try how to work. Okay, thank you for watching our video. We are Transmeiot company. If you have interest on our product, here is our connection. If you want to learn more details, here is our social media, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.